Alright, figured we'd take a look at this open box Harbor Freight special. The titanium Easy Flux 125. So, it was open box for 140. I think it's 170 new. So I guess the real question is what's actually in here. It's going to be careful with open box, so who knows. Let's cut her open and take a look. First thing, we've got a couple of, well, a MIG tip. Alright, that'll get us started. I think we're supposed to have a few, but what do you do, right? So looking in here first off, I mean, everything's clean-ish. Smells like new rubber, like it hasn't been used or something. Obviously not used by me, or it would be dirty and probably ruined. Alright, so first thing I noticed, there's a piece of duct tape on here. Probably didn't come from the factory that way, so I'm not sure what that's about. We got an instruction manual here that I probably won't read because I've never welded before, and a box of stuff. Ground clamp looks like a cheap ground clamp. Should work. I dropped this torch right away. It has another tip on it. So there's two. We'll see how it works. So what we got in the goodie box here. Damn it. That's awesome. I did not know that it came with some wire, so I bought a spool of wire as well, so that's pretty sweet actually. So now I got two. I also got some random stuff, some magnets, you know, because they're cheap. Another spool of wire, more magnets, little guys. And I got a helmet, so that's kind of where we're at. Hopefully we'll find a way to try her out later today. I don't know, see if it's worth saving, you know, 40 bucks or whatever. So, thanks for taking a look. So I was going to add this earlier. So I also got this welding helmet, alright? If you can tell by the paint job, it's pretty much guaranteed to make you a better welder. And it's solar powered, so essentially green technology, right? So with this helmet, I think we should be pretty good. Should be able to jump right in and basically be a professional. So one thing that needs to be mentioned is this feed switch here.
super useful, especially for, a low price or, whatever economy machine. Makes it really nice to not have to just pull the trigger to try and get that wire fed through.
The beauty of starting out, right? You don't have any tools. You don't have shit. I don't even know if this is... I'm sure with a better brush, this would not be as much work. But so I don't know if that's focused. So I mean, for the first one, they're pretty terrible. Only one way to go from here. Looks like on the second one though, because the metal was warmed up a little, it really was too hot. So good to know. I'll probably take a wire cut brush to it and see if it cleans up a little bit. But it seems to work. Not bad for 140 bucks.